Patty from Uptown has a question about building advice.
So she's in the middle of some new home construction, Tom.
Oh.
So she's come to you. Patty writes to us, my understanding is insulation shouldn't be put in until the house is dry. Our builder considered the house dry once the felt was in place, but the metal roof itself was not completely on and or watertight. So, Tom, Patty wants to know, is a house considered dry once the felt goes on the roof?
With the new felts today, you can dry in a roof and it'll last 60 days. So, yeah, as long as it's not leaking and it's done really well, it can be considered dry. Now, here's the issue is when you get high winds, we get a really bad storm. If it lifts that paper up, you could have a problem on the inside. And that's why you carry all that insurance, but it's no fun having to gut all the ceiling and everything and rebuild it again. So as a builder, when I would build, if I knew the weather was okay and we need to keep moving and I get that dried in real well with the tar paper, I was okay for a week or so, but I always watched the weather. Weather was a big important part of what my job was as a contractor. And this year has been a tough year, and I remember years like that. But you're just going to, if it's done well, it's dried in, and they will consider it dried in. And that's why you have construction insurance in case a big storm comes in and takes it off.
You see, Tim Heller retired over at Channel 13.
I didn't know that.
Yeah, he's gone.
Okay.
So it's the end of weather for all time.
Oh.
Well, he's always the trusted weather guy in our house, and now he's retired, so we're without weather.
Sounds like you're disappointed.
We are. Well, no, not really. I mean, he retired young.
I met him once. He was a nice guy.
Things. He's a great guy. All those guys over there were nice at a time. So you got a question, go ahead and send us your questions to use the Ask Tom form and send it to us, and we'll answer it just like these videos over here. And if you have a hankering to, you can always subscribe to our channel, click the bell, and we'll ring you every time we put a new one up. Won't that be fun?